Hello students, today we're going to look at another special sound chart and we're going to go over how to spell the special sound, how to say the special sound, and examples of that special sound. So today we are going to do special sound chart number 10 and we're going to look at each individual special sound and how to say them and examples for them. So our first one is W in whale. All you hear is the W in whale. W, w, w in whale. WH says W in whale. The H is silent. So we have wheat, which, white, when, wheel, and while. And all of these words have the W in whale. You only hear the W, the H is silent. WH says W in whale. Then we have the in who. In who. You just hear the H sound. It's very soft. WH also says in who. So we have two special sounds that are spelled the same way, but one you hear the W and the other you hear the H. The in who. Whole, whose, whom, whoever, whoop, whosoever. So the WH in this special sound says in who. Then we have ch in patch. Ch in patch. TCH says ch in patch. Now we know that ch in church says ch as well, but with this special sound, it comes after a short vowel. So when you have the short vowel and you hear ch, TCH says ch. Fe, the E is short. Ma, the A is short. Ka, the A is short. Stre, the E is short. Ha, the A is short. And P, the I is short. So here we have all short vowels, so it's TCH. Fetch, match, catch, stretch, hatch, picture. Okay, so when you hear that short vowel sound, T in the ch, it's TCH. So when you see TCH, this vowel is a short vowel. So TCH says ch in patch. The T is silent. Then we have ear and ear. EAR says ear and ear. This is a long E, a silent A, and an R sound. We have deer, clear, year, tear, beard, weary. EAR says ear and ear. We also have EAR that says air and bear. So it's a long A sound and an R sound. Air. EAR says air in bear. Pair, wear, swear, tear. So EAR also says air in bear. Then we have and earth. You just hear the sound. The in earth. EAR also says in earth. EAR says in earth. Earn, yearn, learn, search, pearl, earthquake. So EAR also says in earth. It says ear and ear, air and bear, and in earth. Then we have old in gold. It's a long O. Old in gold. OLD says old in gold. And we have mold, cold, told, folded, sold, holding. O-L-D says old, old, old in gold. Then we have and lamb. And lamb. The B here is silent. It doesn't make a sound. You just hear the and lamb. So M-B says and lamb. M-B says and lamb. Limb, combed, thumb, crumbs, climbs, plumbing. All of these M-Bs are just The B doesn't make a sound at all, just the M. So M-B says and lamb. Then we have oo and flew. It sounds like the oo in tooth, but it's E-W. So E-W says ooh, ooh, ooh in flew. We have grew, do, blue, new, drew, chew. So all of these say ooh, ooh, ooh in flew. E-W says ooh, ooh, ooh. Now EW also makes another sound. It makes U, like a long U sound. They sound so similar you can hardly tell them apart, but they do make different sounds. So we have the ooh, like the ooh in tooth, and then we have U, like the long U sound, the U in few. We have curfew, U, hue, pew, mew, and hewn. So this special sound, EW, makes a long U sound, U, 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 and few, and the other one says few, flew, ooh, more of a ooh, ooh, ooh in tooth, and this one is more of a U, 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 like a long U. So EW also says U, 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 and few. Then we have E and rainy. Now this tells us this is a suffix. This is not part of the original root word. It is added to the end of a word to make a new word. So our root word is rain. Rain is a word all by itself. But then we add the E in rainy and we get a whole new word, rainy. I see the rain. It is rainy outside. Rainy. So the Y here makes a long E sound and it says E in rainy. So we have sleep, sleep-y, dust, dusty, sand, sandy, fuzz, fuzzy, dirt, dirty, might, mighty. So all of these are original root words and we added the E in rainy to make a new word. So this is the E in rainy. The Y says E in rainy. Then we have in bigger. It makes the sound like the in verse. But this one is a suffix, just like the E in rainy, where it is added to the end of a root word to make a new word. It's not part of the original word. So ER says in bigger. Help, helper. Soft, softer. Slow, slower. Small, smaller. Dress, dresser. Loud, louder. So all of these have the suffix ER added to the root word to make a new word. So ER says in bigger, and it is a suffix. Here we have another suffix. EST says est. This is a short E sound, and then st, est, and biggest. So we have bigger, big est. So quiet est, this is a suffix added to the root word, quietest, loudest, shortest, tallest, softest, smallest. So EST says est, in biggest. and it is a suffix added to a root word to make a new word. Here we have ly and slowly. This is another suffix, ly and slowly. We're adding it to our root word slow to make a new word, slowly. The turtle is slow. He walks slowly down the path. Soft, softly. The Y makes a long E sound. E, ly. Freely, quickly, firmly, costly, lively. So you have the L sound, and then you have the Y that makes a long E sound, ly, and it is a suffix added to a root word to make a new word. Then we have N and sharpen. Once again, we have sharp. The pencil is sharp. I need to sharpen my pencil, or the pencil is not sharp, so I need to sharpen my pencil. This is a short E sound, and an N sound, N, sharpen. Dampen, darken, frozen, freshen, flatten, broken. All of these are root words with a suffix N to make a new word. E-N says N, sharpen. And here's another suffix, S. S in peaches. S in peaches. A short E and an S sound. S in peaches. E-S. We have wishes, lunches, perches, washes, freezes, teaches. E-S says S in peaches. Then we have isled and child. Now remember, normally when you have one vowel in a word, it makes the short sound a, I, or a. But sometimes we have special sounds. And with these special sounds, the vowel may or may not be short. So here, the vowel is not short. It is actually a long I sound. It says isled, and child. It's a long I, an L, and a D. Isled in child. Wild, long I sound. Milder, mild, childhood. So here we have I-L-D that says isled. I, d, isled in child. And then we have eind and kind, and this is the same thing. This I is a long I. It is not a short I. Eind and kind. We have wind, find, rind, mind, blind, and grind. Now all of these have only one vowel in them, but they do not make a short vowel sound because we have a special sound, and it's special, it's different. So this one is actually a long I sound. Eind and kind. I-N-D says eind and kind. Now let's look on the board, and we have some examples here that I'm going to break down for you so you can see how to read them by using special sounds, by using short vowels, by using our long vowels, okay? So here we have the ch in church, and then we have the isled in child, and we have the in book. Ch, isled, d, childhood, childhood. Here we have the I. So normally when you have one vowel in a word, the vowels make a short sound. But when you have the special sounds, it doesn't always make the short sound. Here, this is actually a long I sound. Childhood. Our next one, we have fur and frog, sh and ship, and n and sharpen. And here we have that one vowel. And this is actually a short vowel. E, e, e. So we have freshen, freshen. Here is our root word, fresh. We added a suffix, freshen. Okay, our next one, we have the pl and plain. We have the and lamb, and the suffix ing and pointing. And here we have a short U. We have one vowel in our root word, so it is short. Ing, plumbing, plumbing. Here we have the and earth special sound, the and thick. Then we have quake. This is a compound word. We've taken earth, the word earth, and the word quake, and we brought them together. So this word by itself would have the two vowels, quake. Now Q goes with U. They're connected. They're family. So they go together. So we don't count this U as one of the two vowels. The Q goes along with the U. Okay? So we have earth, quake, earthquake, earthquake. Here we have the sh and ship, the s and peaches, and with our original word we have an I here, the one vowel, so it is a short vowel. One vowel. When you have two vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, remember our first vowel is long and our second vowel is silent. So here, since we have the two vowels, the first one is the long A sound and our E is silent. But here we have the one vowel. And the one vowel is a short vowel. I, I. Wish, es, wishes, wishes. So this is the S in peaches. Here we have the special sound N and not. And we have the oo in flew. That makes the oo sound like smooth and tooth. Okay? So this one here has two special sounds. The E goes with the special sound, so it is not a short vowel sound. New. Here we have the old and gold, and then we have the ed and wanted. This ed makes the short E and D sound, ed, ed, ed. And remember the rule with this. When you have a D or a T at the end of your root word, your ed special sound says ed, ed, ed. Fold, fold, ed. So this one says ed. Then we have the sh and ship, the or and morning, and the est and biggest. So we have sh, or, t, est, shortest. I am the shortest. Okay? So when you see these words and you can recognize the special sounds, it helps you to break down the words a little bit better and be able to read them. Some of them will have the one vowel that is short, and some will have one vowel, but it's actually part of a special sound, so it isn't short. It doesn't always have to be short. And then you have your two vowels, which when you have two vowels, the first one is long, and the second one is silent. All right, so this is a review and a complete list and examples and pronunciation of chart number 10. Very good, students. That'll be all. Bye.